This elegant family chateau is for sale. Located in Aquitaine, France. It offers 7 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. An elegant chateau built circa 1800, offering approximately 700 square metres of living space and set within 1.5 hectares of landscaped parkland. The ground floor includes a large entrance hall, 3 reception rooms, dining room, 2 fully equipped kitchens, and a self-contained 1-bedroom apartment. The first floor provides 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a dressing room, office, and additional living space, while the second floor features a substantial library and large dormitory area. The property retains original features throughout, including mouldings, staircase, parquet and stone floors, and has been well maintained, with renovations completed in 2012. The grounds include mature trees, landscaped gardens, orchard, and a swimming pool, along with a 4-car garage and additional outbuildings. The asking price of this elegant family chateau is €1,190,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.